IELTS Part 1 questions about your hometown. You can get my answer to all 3 IELTS speaking sections in my free mini IELTS speaking ebook. You can also join the English community. In it, you will find IELTS and Advanced English live streams, the full IELTS speaking ebook, IELTS video lessons, and new lessons are added weekly to help you improve your conversations through TV and improve your advanced English discussions. The links are in the description below. Let's get to the question. Do you like your hometown? And you can tweak this to answer the question, describe your hometown. Yes, absolutely. I love my hometown. It's a great place to live. There are a ton of things to do. There are parks and restaurants with different types of food. There's always something going on for kids, especially in the summer. Last month, my city had a festival with games, clowns, singers, and dancers. My whole family went and we had a blast. Since I grew up here, my family and friends also live here. There's always someone to help me or someone to hang out with. If I were to adjust this answer to answer the question, describe your hometown, I love to take one answer and have it answer 2 questions. I would do this. I live in Fairfax, Virginia. It's a suburb outside of Washington, D.C. Together with the surrounding suburbs, D.C. and part of Maryland, its nickname is the DMV. And then I would just go into the I love my hometown and give the exact same answer I gave before. If you liked this video, let me know by liking it, leaving a comment, or subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.